This is Bhanu. I represent Shathabdhi Organics. So Shathabdhi Organics started in Jan 9, 2022. So we started recently, means like this year. It's a 8 months old baby, and like when we started this product, we launched 21 products. As of now, we are into 34 SKUs. So you can see our products. We have this like all low GI value rice. We are into pulses. We are into spice powders. We are into millets. We are into millet based processed products also. So we bake all this cookies, pastas, vermicellis, everything from millets. And we also deal with cold pressed oils also. And then not only this, my main motive is to make our traditional grains. See, our olden days we used to have this traditional grains, right? So ఆ ట్రెడిషనల్ గ్రెయిన్స్ అన్నిటిని మోడరిస్టిక్ వేలో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడే పిల్లలకి నచ్చుతుంది, ఇష్టంగా తింటారు. సో దాట్ ఈస్ మై మెయిన్ కాన్సెప్ట్. వాట్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్ ఇప్పుడు మన రీసెంట్ కస్టమైజేషన్, రీసెంట్ టెక్నాలజీ వల్ల మన మఫిన్స్, బ్రెడ్స్ ఆర్ లైక్ పాస్తాస్, noodles, and we are getting some different kind of flavors. Everything I wanted to convert from millets. Through millets, I just wanted to transplant into this traditional ways. So that is my main motive, main concept. No, not all our millets. We have 8 variety of millets, 6 varieties of millet processed products, and remaining we have 4 varieties of dals, 4 variety of rice items, and spice powders are there: chili powder, turmeric. We have this pink salt, brown sugar. Everything is like completely 100% natural and organic, where we won't use any pesticide and any chemicals. And we specially procure this from farmers, FPOs, those who has NPOP certified farmers. So we have all this organic certificate with us, and then we'll just grade it, we'll pack in our own brand and we'll market it. So here no other middlemen, no other persons will be involved.